This is NH 532. What about the loose soil on the both side? Just put on stones without the concrete base. Without a concrete base, instead of concrete base, that NH 532 that towards Virudhachalam now west towards west side, from east side between Kadalur East, Virudhachalam West, that NH 532, the national highway, that authority should check the district administration, district collector, that state highway department officials along with the NH officials, the national highway authority of India officials, they should check what about the loose soil between both sides. This road NH between Virudhachalam and Kadalur. Why is like this so loose soil? They're putting on empty stone without concrete. Thank you, God bless you.